It is the worst kept secret that has now been outed. Once again, the world this time has it in writing that Pakistan is nothing but a puppet at the hands of the United States. A classified high-level Pakistani diplomatic telegram has exposed how America dictated Pakistan to remove Imran Khan from the Prime Minister's office. The reason? America disapproved of Imran's bonhomie with Russia and his refusal to toe the American line. What followed was complete compliance from sellouts in Pakistan. Within a month, Imran Khan was ousted through a no-confidence motion planned and plotted by Shahbaz Sharif and Asim Munir. This is how Terroristan sold out its democracy. But that brings me to the bigger question for the opposition in India. Where are the self-proclaimed Samvidhan saviors of India who shamed the center for not playing the role that Pakistan does? Well, joining me on the debate tonight, Dr. Anand Ranganathan continues to be with us. RSN Singh, author, intelligence expert, joining the show. Major Nadeem, defense analyst, joining us live on the show from Pakistan. Dr. Atikur Rahman, also joining. He's the professor for international relations. And Major Nadeem, my question to you is, it's the worst kept secret, but it's finally out in black and white. This coming out clearly shows how Imran Khan was just not suitable to the Americans, and therefore an entire plot was hatched about a no-confidence motion, throwing Imran Khan in jail, basically Pakistan taking orders from the United States. तो कम से कम ये तो अब दुनिया को जो पता था वो एक बार फिर प्रूव हो ही गया कि पाकिस्तान literally is a banana republic.
देखिए, औरों की शादी में इंडिया दीवाना. ठीक है, first of all, it is our internal matter, and India has nothing to do with this. Whatever written in this letter or cipher or game. Number one. Number two, you know it, fully know it, there is no clear statement, unambiguous statement, unequivocal statement in which America said that we want to oust Imran Khan from the prime ministership. There is nothing. If you have read that, you just let me know any single line in which USA showed his intention, right, to oust Imran Khan. Though America has the history of doing this in past in so many, but not at all in Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, Pakistan is a sovereign country, right? And we are the nuclear country. So America cannot do this. Though our Prime Minister himself said some remarks were there, okay, but there was nothing like you say conspiracy or treason. There is nothing of that sort in it.
Nothing of that sort. And this telegram has been made by AI. Anand Ranganathan, is this AI creation, whatever this document actually tells you? Because Major Nadeem says we are a very independent nation, take our own calls.
No, but good evening, Navika. Fact is, Major Nadeem ने with due respect अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी है, क्योंकि आज ये पाकिस्तान में सेफ इसलिए है क्योंकि अमेरिका की बात सुन रहे हैं. सीधी सी बात है, ये माने या ना माने. दूसरी बात मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि the fact of the matter is, I mean, America, obviously Pakistan is a vassal state. Pakistan can ask for Imran to be removed and its wishes fulfilled because America says Imran was sympathetic towards Russia. But America did not ask for Zardari or Gilani, who were the president and prime minister of Pakistan, or the army chief when Osama bin Laden was found in Pakistan. ये बात मेरी समझ में नहीं आई. नदीम साहब, आप तो नहीं, आपने तो नहीं छुपा के रखा था. ओसामा को बता दीजिए.
ये तो आनंद सत्ती साहब आपने रट्टा लगाया हुआ है.
नदीम साहब, आपने तो नहीं, आपके घर में तो नहीं छुपे थे. आपके घर में तो नहीं छुपे हुए थे. ये बता दीजिए आज. कहीं आप उनके घर में जाते हो, चाय पानी पीने जाते हो, बता दिए. एबोटाबाद में ही थे ना आप भी? एबोटाबाद में ही थे, मैंने चेक किया अभी. You were in Abbottabad when Osama bin Laden was found. अब मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आपके किराएदार थे, आपने क्यों नहीं वहां पे रेड फ्लैग का, ये बताइए आप पहले, सबसे पहले
रंगनाथन
ये
सक्की
बताइए।
साहब, देर वाज
बताइए एक
नो
मिनट।
ओसामा बिन लादेन। मैं बता रहा
नो
हूं ना,
ओसामा
इफ
बिन
यू अलाउ
लादेन,
मी, देर
नो
वाज नो
ओसामा बिन
ओसामा बिन
लादेन।
लादेन. Again, nobody showed that he was there, right? American, that was American
अरे
statement. It may be jingoistic, right?
What?
Oh, this
It's
is
not
what it is.
jingoistic, it's
Can you
based
show
on
me?
facts, sir.
Can
It's
you,
based
can
on
you show me
facts,
a
and
single
Dr.
picture?
Atikur Rahman, I want to ask you,
Dr.
everything is out in black and white, and every sentence here says Pakistan has to do everything that pleases the United States. US expected Pakistan's support to all issues that were important to the US. It did not reciprocate. It goes on. Everywhere it says that US expected more from India than Pakistan. In the phase Imran Khan was there, and goes on to say that Pakistan has let America down.
Thank you so much, Navika, for inviting me on this important topic. On a lighter mood, I must say that the other panelist, he was saying something about chai pani. So I don't know why entire India is suffering from a chai syndrome. So yes, we are very good in making chai, and people always after tasting our chai say, okay, that is fantastic.
खराब
Okay, fine.
तुम्हारी भैया।
So you highlighted this page, and I don't know. I mean, from where you collected this this paper. I must challenge the credibility of this paper, because apart from your channel, I didn't see anywhere this paper. If it is that much controversial or that much, I mean, playing the role of whistleblower, then there should be a debate in the entire media. But apart from your channel, so I must challenge the credibility.
Sir, can you comment? Can you comment on this document that is in public domain now, or are you only going to restrict yourself to whataboutery?
Navika, when I challenge the credibility of this paper, then what should I comment? And on the other
credibility
hand,
being questioned, RSN Singh Saab, please.
definitely.
What is not credible in this? What is not credible in this? It is secret. It has been put out. Nobody has denied its existence. They're saying interpretation थोड़ी गड़बड़ है. और सब कुछ तो black and white में है, RSN Singh Saab.
Apart from your channel, nobody is talking about it. Nobody, Navika, you should accept that. I'm an academician. Based on my knowledge, I must confess this.
आप जरा थोड़े से आउट ऑफ सिंक है. आपके यहाँ शायद इंटरनेट नहीं आ रहा और शायद सैटेलाइट सिग्नल भी नहीं चल रहा. तो आप प्रोफेसर इंटरनेशनल स्टडीज के जो हैं, वो पता नहीं कौन सा इंटरनेशनल खबर आप पढ़ रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं पता. नदीम साहब को पता, आपको नहीं पता. नदीम साहब, आप इनकी पहले क्लास ले लें, इन्हें समझा दें कि क्या क्या हो रहा है पाकिस्तान में. इन्हें इल्म नहीं है. लेकिन RSN सिंह साहब जवाब दे दें.
आई नो क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है पाकिस्तान में, और मुझे ये भी पता है आपके यहाँ क्या क्या हो रहा है.
Stop is Besura Tanpura, please.
Yes, please go ahead.
Stop is Besura Tanpura. You have given me a chance to speak. Now this is a classified cable 1-0678. This is a classified diplomatic cable, very much authenticated, and it is from Majid Khan, as you all know. I mean, I don't have to go into that. But let me tell you, the basic issue here is that, let me underscore the fact that Pakistan was not created as a homeland for Muslims, but it was created as a strategic piece of territory for the for the Western countries. Later on, read US, both West Pakistan and both East Pakistan. Now, if you just go into every military dictator that has assumed power in Pakistan, has done so in deference to a big strategic move by the United States of America. For example, Ayub Khan, Sento, Sito. Yahya Khan, when they wanted to make when the Americans wanted to make rapprochement with China, they came in handy. And thereafter, you have Ziaul Haq. When there was, Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, he was prepared for this day to kill, to put an end to the Cold War through the jihadi machine. And then Musharraf, in deference to enduring freedom. And then Bajwa, to stop the dependency on China. And then finally, Asif Munir, to kill China-Pakistan economic corridor. Now, I have full sympathies for Imran Khan for what has done, but he also played ball with the military. He was also a creation of Bajwa. Remember Tehreek-e-Labbaik, the Barelvi organization was created to prop up Imran Khan. It is only afterwards that
they
Imran
fell
Khan
apart.
Started drifting
They fell apart.
China, calling
but
China
Anand
as a-
Ranganathan, is there any part of this cable that can be denied?
1 minute, 1 minute.
And now, Navika, can I come in?
Yes, Anand.
या जस्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस. पहले तो जो डॉक्टर अतिकुर रहमान साहब हैं, मैं उनसे ये सीधे पूछ लूं, बिकॉज ही इज अ प्रोफेसर, ही हैज अ ओनस टू टेल द ट्रूथ एंड ऑलवेज द ट्रूथ एंड नथिंग बट द ट्रूथ. डू यू डिस्प्यूट मेजर नदीम स्टेटमेंट, डॉक्टर रहमान, दैट ओसामा बिन लादेन वाज नॉट फाउंड इन पाकिस्तान? यस और नो?
What you want me to comment?
Actually, nothing.
I do not
because
highlight
the
what
then
your
United States
what-
President, Barack Obama, told the world where he was found, Osama bin Laden, and how terror and Pakistan have been complicit. But that they actually have this kind of a statement and a dialogue with US against their own former Prime Minister. Well, that is a revelation. People knew about it, but reading it in black and white is always something that puts every doubt to rest. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. With that, it's a wrap on the News Hour. Good night and be safe, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be back tomorrow.